Morning, guys. Not early morning today only. It's a little cold outside. Kinda snowing. Wait, not really. It's cold. Hey, look what I found though. Bitch. Get that President Bob. Skyline. Sport. Today I'm just gonna show you I just you guys seen that? Hey, did anyone subscribe to get enough done? Cause if you get enough done, I'll show you enough done right now. This first place gets this. Second place gets a smaller water as an easier cool. Some slime. Gonna make some slime. Slime. Let's start right now. I made slime a little earlier, so here we go. Okay. I almost messed up the vlog. Sorry guys, I dropped the camera. It's gonna look dead gooey and gooey. It makes such good. All you have to get is enjoy. Make it good. We're gonna make green slime. I'm gonna use dish detergent. Number one. Oh. Okay, guys. Let's go. You can use this find something to mix it with. So I found it. Okay. I'm just gonna show you how it looks now. Okay, did you see it? Okay, let me see now. Let's have it mix it up. It's getting good. Today, guys, I didn't really have a vlogger. They've gone somewhere. Okay. My vlog isn't done, so I have to do my vlog myself. No other people. I'm just gonna show you now. Not really ready, so okay, guys, I'm gonna really finish that a little later on. But today, guys, if you get that same sound, if you get that signal Nerf gun, I will pay you half. I'll pay you half of my money. I'll pay you half of my money. That's your 2 prizes. But no one subscribed yet to get that stuff. Okay, guys. So, since it's winter, I'll need these gloves. Well, today, I'm gonna finish it now. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna finish it. The savage. Getting real mushy. See?